Hi, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering prime rib. This recipe is so simple that anyone can do it, and the results are unforgettable. So stay tuned and I'll show you just how simple it is. So once you've gotten your prime rib home from the butcher, you just want to go ahead and trim it down to about 1/4 of an inch of a fat cap on the top if it isn't already there. You could also ask them to do this at your local butcher. Next up, remove the bone from the back of the roast.
The story goes that the bone was once cut from a prime rib roast to make it easier for chefs to carve. It's not just about convenience though. Having the bone in place helps keep the roast juicy and succulent during cooking so that it ends up perfectly tender when served. That's why many people prefer their prime ribs tied and roasted with the bone intact. Plus, the presentation is much more impressive this way. So if you ever find yourself wondering why prime rib roasts are usually tied back together before cooking, now you know. To give your roast a deliciously robust flavor, you'll want to use the Heath Riles Garlic Butter Barbecue Rub and the Real Man Meat Texas Style Competition Rub. To ensure your prime rib is seasoned evenly, start by applying medium coats of each rub, beginning with the Garlic Butter Barbecue Rub. Be sure to spread the rubs generously over the entire surface area of the prime rib.
Alright, now that the prime rib is ready, it's time to get your grill started. We're going to start by cooking it at 225 degrees. Before you put your prime rib on the grill, insert a probe into the center. Be careful when putting your probe in that you don't hit any fat pockets. We're going to cook this until it reaches an internal temperature of 118 degrees. Let's get it on the grill. Our prime rib has settled in at 118 degrees. It's time to get it off the smoker and set it on the counter inside for about 20 minutes. All right, everyone, we've got just one last step before we can enjoy our beautiful prime rib. You can see that it's built in absolute perfect color, but the internal temperature isn't quite where I want it. We're shooting for 123 degrees and I want to be able to sear it for those last few moments. If you're following along at home and you don't think your smoker can handle 450 or 500 degrees, then by all means start up a charcoal smoker or finish it off in your oven. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to cook your prime rib on a grill. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video from Machete Boys Barbecue. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.